But the Prophet ﷺ, with all of his mercy that he put forth to humanity, to mankind, he was only a reflection of the most merciful. He was on this earth a reflection of Allah's rahmah, a reflection of Allah's generosity, a reflection of Allah's love. That was Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that was all of the prophets. They were reflections, agents of delivering the beautiful qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to humankind. Amongst the agents outside of the Anbiya, the agents of mercy in the world are the angels as well. وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ يُسَبِّحُونَ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّهِمْ. And the angels, they glorify the praises of their Lord. وَيَسْتَغْفِرُونَ لِمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Amazing. And they ask for forgiveness for the people on earth, the angels. Specifically the believers. The angels, again, just a reflection of Ar-Rahman, a reflection of the most merciful. But just as the Anbiya and the angels are on this earth, we're on this earth reflecting and giving forth all of the goodness that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has, you and I, we have to follow suit. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. That for you and I, in the Messenger of Allah, is the best example. In all of the prophets, Abraham, Ibrahim, Musa, Moses, Isa, Jesus, all of them are beautiful examples for the one who is going to be a peacemaker, a game changer on this earth. The most effective path and strategy is the way of the Anbiya, specifically Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam for you and I.